So we've had a really positive experience working within this community of practice as we all seek to understand ways that we can move forward together, aligning our business with planetary boundaries. We had two big motivations for joining the freshwater pilot: water dependency and climate change. First, we know that all life on Earth depends on water. That includes the plants and animals that General Mills depends on to provide our ingredients. About 85% of our water impact as a company is coming from ingredients, which in other words means agriculture. Only about 1% is coming from manufacturing our products. So that's where we wanted to focus. Second, water risk is one of the primary ways that climate change impacts General Mills. For us, this is not a future problem, it's a current problem. So that's why we wanted to join. And in participating in the pilot, we got three big insights, which I'll share with you today. First, when we looked at the steps 1 and 2, assess and then interpret and prioritize of the draft methodology, that helped us get much better insight than we'd ever had before on where to focus our water efforts. General Mills has historically followed a water risk-based approach to identifying priority watersheds, but we've never really been able to get very granular about where within those watersheds to focus. Through the pilot, we were able to overlay ingredient sourcing volumes with assessments of impaired watersheds and identify 2 priority sourcing regions where we focused on testing the methodology. Second, we got great data insights that can be turned into actionable decisions through this process. Although we've had priority watersheds since 2016, one place we've always struggled with determining the scale of action and what is needed in those places and how to set clear KPIs. Step 3, which is illustrative target setting in this pilot, helped us to get those insights. And then finally, the illustrative targets really emphasize the need for collective action to make big change. Watersheds are really big, and even in places where General Mills has the biggest footprint, like in California, we represent only a tiny fraction of total users. In some ways that felt positive for us. The small target felt achievable, and some of the preliminary modeling suggested that we would be able to hit that target with planned interventions like regenerative agriculture in California almonds. However, it also emphasized the vital importance of collaboration. We really need all actors in the basin to move toward positive impact so that we can all enjoy the benefits of a holistic, healthy watershed together. My encouragement to all corporate folks listening and thinking about this consultation is to consider exploring the tools and the approaches of the SBT for freshwater. Even if you're not ready to set a target just yet, exploring the process will reveal so much about your value chain's water dependency and the potential for you to make positive impact. That way we can think about how to all move forward together.